Hello everyone, this section explains the two ways of selecting objects in the dust cover software. Method. First is our frame selection method, then our frame selection method is divided into our blue selection and green selection. What do these two mean? The first is our blue selection, the left button of our mouse. Let's click the left. The position on the side, and then drag it to the position on our right. This is the blue selection, of course. We can also press and hold directly like this. It is most convenient for us to click. Yes, let's click on this point. Click another point and you can see my blue box now. I am bow. It contains these two rows of objects, but the little one on my right. I haven't included the upper part of it, so let's see if it will be selected. Okay, if we click on the right side we can see that in our blue cave, we only have objects that are all wrapped by blue boxes will. Selected, we just included half of this grass, It's not selected anymore. This one is our blue pick. You can only select it if it is completely wrapped. Choose. Okay, let's press the ESC key on the keyboard to cancel. Next let's take a look at our green picks. For our green selection, click from our right to our left. Then we can also drag it like this. Or we can click once and then click another point. Then if we vote green, for example, I am now in the second line of full package. The third row only wraps half. Okay, let's click to see if we can select it. Okay, let's click to see half of my third line package. It is also selected. In other words, our green pick. This is our green box. It has parts that touch. No matter what the proportion is. We all have a choice. For example, my fourth line is here. I'll just choose a little bit. Okay, I can see it by clicking on it. The objects in my fourth row are also wrapped by me. So the difference between our blue selection and box selection is that our blue selection, the objects it selects must be included in the blue frame before they can be selected. Then our green selection only needs to be partially included in our green box. Chosen by us. Okay, let's press the ESC key on the keyboard to cancel. Then let's take a look at our selections next. It is easiest for us to click. Just hold down the left button of the mouse. Let's click, 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 click. You can see that our object was quickly selected. Then when we select multiple objects now, I want to cancel a certain one. What should I do? We directly press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. Okay, let's press and hold. Then cancel one of our objects individually. For example, I don't want this one with 4 flowers. Okay, let's click to see. We will cancel this. If we click on this grass again, we can see it's also cancelled. But at this time we have to pay attention. Note that you have to press and hold the persuasion key without letting go, and then click with the left mouse button. Click to cancel selection. If we don't need it, we can just click yes and cancel everything. These are the two ways our Dusty software selects objects. This section ends here. You are welcome to watch other online videos of Chenfeng Software.